What's up, guys? It's your boy Connor. We are here practicing some wheelies in a controlled environment. We may not get that many good ones, but we're here to practice. First gear. Okay, see, that one felt kind of good. But my thing is continuing to throttle through, because that was, as you could tell, I get it up and then that's it. That's pretty much where it ends. See, that felt good. Foot brake was covered. That's what we really need to work on. And that's like my main issue, is just getting comfortable with it. Because even if I do like baby ones like that, I need to remember to press on the foot brake and just get comfortable with getting back there. See, I have been improving. See, that was probably the highest one I've gotten to date, and it felt good. I didn't really panic. It's difficult just because it's like, it's not a natural feeling, and then you feel like you're going to loop it. And I can guarantee you, I'm nowhere near that high off the ground. But that was a bad pull because I felt, as you saw, I don't know if you saw it, but my handlebars went to the right. It's just, now I'm trying to think too much in doing it. Now that I've gotten up a couple times, and just getting comfortable and pulling evenly. One thing that you could do that I have yet to do, because I feel like it's too much work, like too much brain thought, to where you kind of push back. And one of them is because I have a small fear. I heard the tire spin on that one. That I'm going to go too far back. Like once I go like that, my hand's going to keep on hitting the throttle. We're going to go live for a little bit, see what people think. Well, hello everyone out there in TV land. Can we rotate this? That's kind of dope. I just kind of continue to practice that, and my thing is to just, it's a good practice as long as I try to continually get better and better. And that's all that we're trying to do. Is like how I identify the tire squealing is one thing. The throttle control, the clutch play, as long as I continue to get higher, not necessarily get higher, but to where it's more consistent. See, the tire spinning on that one again. I need to probably let out the clutch a little more. And just continue. What's up, guys? We're trying to practice some wheelies, dog. Tire spun again on that one. Let's see. So we're gonna go slower. Now see, there it is again. The tire's squealing. We can let some air out. This is squealing too much. What's up, guys? What's everyone up to, bro? What's up, Mark? We're out here, dog. We had a pretty good one, better than what I've done, but it keeps on squealing, baby. What's up, guys? Got to keep on throttling through it, baby. That's what I'm afraid of. What's up, everybody? The new clutch plates are clutch, no pun intended. Okay, that felt a little bit better. Yeah.